In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log work time in Jira. If you've ever needed to track production time, document development work, or submit weekly engineering hours inside Jira, you already know that it can feel frustrating when the work tracking option is hard to spot. The good news is that Jira makes this process fairly simple once you know exactly where to look and how to enter the information correctly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the right issue, access the work log panel, enter your time using the proper format, add useful details, use a keyboard shortcut, and then confirm that everything saved successfully. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site or sign in through Atlassian's login page. Once you're in, head to your active project and open the specific issue you want to update. This could be a task, a bug, or a user story. The important part is making sure you're inside the exact ticket where the work should be recorded. Once the issue is open, look near the top of the ticket details or along the right-hand side panel for the log work option. It's usually marked with a clock or stopwatch icon, which makes it easier to identify. Click log work once to open the time tracking window. Inside that window, find the field labeled Time Spent. This is where you'll enter the amount of time you worked using Jira's shorthand format. For example, you can type 2H for 2 hours, 45 just for 45 minutes, or 1D4H if the work spanned a full day plus 4 additional hours. Using the correct format here is important because it helps Jira record the time accurately. Next, move down to the date started field and choose the exact date when the work happened. Then, in the work description box below, add a short and professional summary of what you completed. Keep it clear and specific so anyone reviewing the issue later can quickly understand the work that was done. If you prefer working faster with keyboard shortcuts, there's an alternative way to open this same window. With the issue open and no text field selected, simply press the W key on your keyboard. Jira will open the log work panel instantly, which can save time if you log hours frequently. When everything looks correct, click the Save or Log button in the bottom right corner of the window. Jira will record your entry and update the issue's time tracking information. As a final check, look at the time tracking section on the issue to confirm that your logged hours and description appear correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.